What's up, YouTube? We are going to review Kit 03LM vlogging kit. It comes with an LED light, a shotgun microphone, a tripod, a remote control for Bluetooth capturing of pictures, and a smartphone holder. By the way, this thing costs only 999 pesos or $20. Alright, cool. Let's go. Let's open it up. There's your shotgun microphone. Here's your Bluetooth controller. It's so that when you press it, your camera, shoots you without you having to press shoot. Tripod here with a mount and the light, and of course the smartphone holder. All right, so first off is this thing. So you press it, it starts the video or it takes a picture of you when it's connected to your phone. It has a little thing at the back. You could wear it as a ring. I'm not sure if you're supposed to wear it as a ring. I'm assuming you're supposed to do it like this so that you could like trigger it. You could like do an open pose and trigger it. I don't actually know why the fuck it has that, but it has that, okay? So anyway, you can remove it apparently. I don't know why you wanted to remove, but that's what it is. It does come with a battery. Let's go ahead and put a battery in it and let's see if it works. On the side right here, there is a button. You press it. You don't press it. I lied. You slide it down. And then it blinks. And then you click Bluetooth. See, it says AB shutter right here. We're gonna go to the camera now. Alright, so here's the camera. I am going to press it, guys, and look, it will take the photo automatically. 1, 2, 3. Damn! You guys are probably wondering, but Verve, why are there two buttons? Do they do something different from each other? Well, good question, chat. So if you press the top button, it shoots a picture. If you press the bottom button, it shoots a picture. So, there are two buttons so that if you're so bad that you break one button, you have another button to play with.
That's it.
That's it. That's the whole thing.
There's no difference.
Next thing that we have is the tripod. It's really cool on the picture. It says that you can put it on a pole. It's supposed to stick on the pole, okay? So we're gonna try. I bought a pole. I actually did it. This is a shelf. And we're gonna try to stick it on the shelf, guys. Let's go. It's a lie! It's sliding off! Maybe I'm just stupid. Let's try it again.
Can you tighten it a bit?
I don't think you can use it that way.
It said you could! It's a lie! Never use this on a pole, guys. Okay? So the pole thing, it's pole shit. But let's talk about squiggly rotations. Alright? Look, this thing squiggles a lot, like this, up to that much. Why you would want it to do that? No fucking clue, but it does that anyway. So you could also just straighten it out like a normal human being, and it stands like brilliantly. Look, it stands. Ta-da! Okay. We're moving on to the next product. What's the next thing? A phone holder. Let's go and put that in there, just like that, and boom. Just like that, it's screwed in, and you can put your phone there. Wada, tada! And it could also be like a selfie stick. Apparently, it's hard enough to be a selfie stick. Look, what's up, vlog? Let's try how well it does. I'm gonna try to shake my phone. Fuck my phone! Fuck my phone!
You what? Such a nice review. So reliable.
Don't shake your phone. You can't shake it.
Oh my god.
You can't shake it. But you can minorly shake it. It stays. Just don't shake it too much. Don't shake it too much. It works though. Look, upside down.
He died when the phone fell.
So as long as you don't shake it like a bastard like I did, then it's fine. It's pretty durable. Good, cool. But I know what you're thinking. But Verve, I'm vlogging. How do I blind people? The vlogging kit 03LM comes with a grenade launcher. I mean a flashbang. It comes with like a thing that you could screw at the bottom. The lights, they don't come with a battery apparently. So I opened it a while ago and they didn't come with a battery. But with movie magic, boom! I bought AA batteries.
Oh
Let's
my
go.
god.
Oh, you're so prepared.
Blinding! Boom! That's like when your crush smiles at you, right? Like, hello, konnichiwa, senpai-chan! Boom! My G. Easy.
Exactly.
Look at how dark my room is, right? And then boom! Boom! Let there be light. Holy damage in the entire area. It's that, look. Bang! Look, I can turn... Fuck. Ow. Wait. I'll turn off my ring light. Boom. So no ring light. It's really dark in here. And with just this, bang! Boom. Very good lighting. Very bright. Brighter than my ring light. Actually, it's too bright. I wish it wasn't as bright. Holy shit. I'm blinded. You can't actually adjust it. So it's a lie. Because right here on the side, it says it comes with an adjustable light. Yo, bitch! There's nothing adjustable about this at all. I know how it's adjustable, bro. So you take a tissue, right? An adjusting paper, right? And then, boom! Dimmed out. Bro, with the power of tissues, all you gotta do is like bring tissue together. It's still fucking bright as hell. Maybe if you like distance it from the tissue, it would be like there. If you put a tissue 5 inches in front of it, it gives you good lighting.
I also got tips from you for
That's
lighting.
right. So guys, this is we're also gonna be doing a review for our dimming paper, also known as velvety soft tissue. 2-ply 250 pulls on our next stream. So hit that follow, hit that subscribe, YouTube. You all know what it
Oh
is.
my god.
Anyway,
Just diffuser, but it works, okay?
but you guys are probably thinking, yo, Verve, what does the mic sound? Well, let me go
Sounds
ahead. Let me go ahead and put everything together for you, and then we're gonna try and see how it sounds with the mic. So let's go. Let's turn everything on. Let's blind ourselves with this thing. Pack! Holy crap! This is what it looks like, guys. This is the full product. Check that out. All right, guys. Let's go and record the sound.
I saw you getting blinded.
Guys, so this is the test for the microphone on our vlogging kit. The audio quality when I am in front of the camera really far. This is the audio quality when I am really close. And this is the audio quality when I am on the side of the microphone. So yep, I have a an electric fan open, so keep that in mind. Let's see if like you guys can hear it through the mic or something of that sort. Let's go. It only cost me $999, aka $20, guys. My gosh, $20 per? Really? Yes, really. Stop asking. All right. Is that it? Is that it? Aren't I supposed to do what do reviewers do at the end? Like how do they end their videos? All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Well, I said guys twice. All right, Vervians. I hope you guys enjoyed that review. And if you guys want me to review other products, don't forget to fuck. Ah! Let's try it again. All right, guys. That is the review for the vlogging kit 03LM. Worth $20 or 999 pesos. I hope you guys enjoyed that review, and I am gonna go ahead and fuck.
I can't.
That was a good intro. I'm just gonna continue it. Put a cut somewhere here, okay?
Ang hirap.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want me to review other products, comment it down in the comment section. I'm gonna pretend like I have money to buy those products you want me to review. Next is if you guys want to see more reviews or more unrelated things, wait. If you guys want to see more review, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Turn that subscribe button from red to gray. Who that? Magic, bro. You can turn the subscribe button from red to gray. All right. Take care, guys. That's it. Bye.